This is the Alienware Aurora R16, and Dell says it's their quietest, coolest, and most refined gaming desktop ever. Big claims, right? Because Alienware PCs have always been powerful, but also loud, bulky, and a little over the top. So I spent real time digging into this machine, looking past the marketing. And here's the thing, the Aurora R16 does something Alienware hasn't truly nailed before, but it's not going to be for everyone. Alienware Aurora R16 Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the Alienware Aurora R16, released in late 2023, and it's Dell's latest flagship gaming desktop. It's designed for gamers who want high-end performance without building their own PC, and for creators who also want that signature Alienware polish. You can configure it with Intel 13th or 14th Gen CPUs, NVIDIA RTX 4070 all the way up to RTX 4090, and up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. The big selling point this year? A brand new chassis focused on better airflow, less noise, and a more grown-up design. Alienware Aurora R16 Performance. Okay, specs are nice, but how does it actually feel day to day? Short answer, fast, stable, and surprisingly quiet. I'm talking smooth 4K gaming, heavy multitasking, and long sessions without the PC sounding like it's about to take off. In real-world testing across expert reviews, configurations with an RTX 4080 or 4090 easily handle modern titles like Cyberpunk 2027 and Starfield at ultra settings. Frame rates stay consistent, and thermal throttling just isn't an issue here. What really stood out to me is sustained performance. This thing doesn't just benchmark well, it stays fast over time. Rendering videos, exporting large files, or running demanding games back-to-back feels effortless. And unlike older Alienware desktops, the fans don't constantly ramp up and down. That makes a huge difference if you game with speakers or work in the same room. It finally feels like Alienware prioritized real-world comfort, not just raw numbers. Features and tech. Let's talk about what makes the Aurora R16 different. First up, the new airflow-focused chassis. Alienware ditched the old sci-fi curves for a more rectangular, minimalist design. That allowed them to optimize internal airflow, which directly translates to lower temperatures and less noise. And yes, you absolutely feel that difference in daily use. Second, toolless internal access. This might not sound exciting, but it matters. You can open the side panel easily for upgrades or cleaning, which was a pain on older models. For buyers who want some flexibility without fully committing to DIY builds, this is a big win. Third, Alienware Command Center. It's still not perfect, but it's better. You get system monitoring, RGB control, and performance profiles in one place. For beginners, this simplifies PC ownership. For advanced users, it's fine. Not amazing, but functional. Design and build. Now, design-wise, this is the most mature Alienware desktop ever. The Aurora R16 has a clean, understated look with subtle RGB instead of aggressive angles. It's mostly metal and high-quality plastic, and it feels solid. No creaks, no flex. It's also smaller than previous Aurora models, which makes it easier to fit under a desk. Ports are thoughtfully placed, with plenty of USB options up front for controllers and accessories. It still looks premium and unmistakably Alienware, just grown up. Upgradeability and limitations. Now here's where we need to be honest. While this is more upgrade-friendly than older Alienware systems, it's still not as flexible as a custom-built PC. The motherboard and power supply are proprietary, which limits long-term upgrade paths. You can swap RAM and storage easily, but major component changes down the line could be tricky. Pros. Excellent real-world performance with modern GPUs. Much quieter and cooler than previous Alienware desktops. Clean, mature design that fits any setup. Easy setup and strong out-of-the-box experience. Cons. Limited upgrade flexibility due to proprietary parts. Command Center software is still just okay. Final verdict. So who is the Aurora R16 actually for, and is it worth your money? Look, if you're a gamer who wants top-tier performance without building a PC, this is one of the best pre-built desktops Alienware has ever made. It's fast, quiet, and finally refined. If you're a creator who also games, the stability and thermals make long workloads way more comfortable. But if you love tinkering, upgrading every year, or squeezing maximum value per dollar, a custom build or a boutique builder with standard parts might make more sense. You're paying extra here for design, support, and convenience. And honestly, that's okay, because the Aurora R16 finally delivers on the promise Alienware's been selling for years.